Hey everyone! If you're curious about what you can actually do with Python, stick around, this is for you. Today, I'm breaking down how pairing Python with specific libraries opens up a world of possibilities, from web development to artificial intelligence and beyond. Let's kick off with web and API development. If you want to build full websites, Django is your best mate. It's a high-level framework that lets you create secure, scalable sites quickly. But if you're after lightning-fast APIs, FastAPI is the tool for you. It's modern, super speedy, and incredibly developer-friendly. Now data fans, Python shines here too. With Pandas and NumPy, you can wrangle data, crunch numbers, and handle massive spreadsheets like a pro. They're perfect for cleaning, slicing, and dicing datasets. And if you're curious about machine learning, you can use TensorFlow or PyTorch. These help you build neural networks, train AI models, and make smart predictions. Once you've got your results, visualize everything with Matplotlib. Line graphs, bar charts, scatter plots, you name it. Fancy a bit of automation or working with the web? BeautifulSoup is your go-to for web scraping. Grab data from websites automatically, no sweat. Or maybe you want to dive into computer vision? OpenCV lets you process images and video, do facial recognition, even track objects in real time. When it comes to databases, SQLAlchemy makes things easy. It's a Pythonic way to interact with SQL databases. No more messy SQL statements everywhere. And if you want to build games, PyGame is brilliant for creating your own 2D games, even if you're just starting out. For interactive computing, Jupyter notebooks combine code, output, and your notes in one tidy place. Great for presentations or data science. And yes, you can even build mobile apps with Kivy. One codebase, multiple platforms, sorted. Plus, if you're wrangling big data, PySpark taps into Apache Spark to process massive data sets in a flash. So, as you can see, Python is insanely versatile. Whether you're building websites, creating games, diving into AI, or crunching big data, there's a Python library to help you do it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Python tips. Drop a comment below. Which Python combo are you most excited to try? Cheers for watching.